Hello, and welcome to the very first episode of Bowhead's Fit for Life, the Fitting for Comfort series. This is our orientation and unboxing video. Today, we'll be showing you what comes inside your Era wheel box, what each item is, and how to put it all together so you can get seated in your Era for the very first time. Your Era has already been configured at Bowhead HQ to the measurements and preferences specified at time of purchase. Like anything new, it will take some time to feel comfortable in your new chair, which is the purpose of this video series, to guide you through adjustments and component changes so you can dial in and get the perfect fit for you. Your Era, your fit, your freedom. All you'll need to follow along in this video is, of course, your Era wheel box and something sharp to cut it open. So let's get rolling. First things first, before opening, check your package for any visible damage from shipping. If you notice damage, take photos, don't open the box, and contact Bowhead customer service right away. If everything looks good, let's keep going. Carefully cut the tape and open your Era box. Remove all contents and packaging, including the separate wheel box, which has cutout handholds for easy removal. Then lay everything out where you can see it. Inside your box, you'll find a small white envelope and a one-page setup guide. The white envelope contains a welcome card, as well as some key information about your Era. The one-page setup guide takes you through many of the steps in this video. Please read all documents thoroughly before moving on. Now it's time to start assembling your Era. Gather your quick release axles, frame, and wheels, and install the rear wheels using the quick release axles. Make sure to insert the axles into the rear axle position circled on your wheel plug info card found in the white envelope. For Era configuration 1, which comes with aluminum Spinergy wheels, insert the axle through the wheel, then slide the rubber spacer or spacers onto the axle before securing it onto your frame. 1 spacer is used per axle for titanium axles and 2 spacers per axle for stainless steel axles. For Era configuration 2, insert the axle through the wheel and directly into the frame. Confirm each quick release is fully engaged by pulling on your wheel. If your chair was purchased with anti-tippers, we'll be installing these now. You'll need your frame, the anti-tippers, and your Feedback Sports torque wrench. If you're not familiar with how to use a torque wrench, don't worry. We've included a helpful video link in the description below that will guide you through it. Once familiar, it's time to install these anti-tippers. Each anti-tipper is pre-coated with anti-seize, so you're going to carefully unwrap the ends, remove the stainless steel screw, insert the anti-tipper into the rear axle clamp, rotate to align the screw hole, reinstall the screw, and finally torque this screw to 5 Newton meters. Next, for non-folding seat backs only, we're going to install the square mounting plate to the seat base using the 4 provided screws. This plate is also wrapped with carbon paste, so unwrap it carefully without wiping this paste off. Remove the pre-threaded screws, align the plate flush with the back edge of the seat base, start tightening all 4 screws in a cross pattern, and then torque to 8 Newton meters in that same cross pattern. Next, install your seat onto the frame and ensure the removable seat latch clicks securely into place. If you have a folding backrest, you can unfold it now. If you purchased a backrest from Bowhead, it will come installed. Otherwise, follow the installation instructions provided by our backrest supplier. If your setup includes an under seat bag, install it at this stage by sliding the bag into either the left or right mount until it clicks. To remove this bag, simply press down on the locking tab and pull it forward. Now you can place your cushion onto the seat, making sure it's slid all the way back. A strip of Velcro is provided to secure the cushion for transfers and transport, but hold off on applying it until you're confident with your seat width and any desired adjustments to this area are complete. Also, do not cover the seat screws with this Velcro, as you may want to make further adjustments later on. If your Era was ordered with fenders, you can slide your fenders into the slots on your side guards until seated and ensure there's no contact with your tires. Although your fenders do not require any fastener, they're extremely strong and can support your weight when offloading. Lastly, review the extra components included in your package. You have a T25 Allen key, a T10 bit, speed ring tools and kits. If configuration 2 of the Era was ordered, you'll have some additional seat post spacers and possibly some extra components that were ordered, like another set of wheels, axle tubes, or an extra torsion bar. And of course, check out your Bowhead t-shirt. And that's it. Now that your Era is assembled, take a moment to sit in your chair and roll around for a couple minutes. This is going to give you a feel for your setup before moving on to any adjustments in the next videos. Let's do a quick recap. In this video, we made sure that your ERA arrived safely, checked out everything in the box, and showed you how to assemble it so you can ride in your ERA for the very first time. If you'd like to dive deeper into further adjustments that'll personalize your ERA, stay tuned and check out the other videos in the Fitting for Comfort series. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out via email at the address in our description below. You can also book a one-on-one new ERA owner fitting service with one of our fitting specialists, again provided in our description. Thanks for joining us on the beginning of your ERA journey, and we'll see you soon. Bye.